Hi, this is Kaveh, and in this video I'll talk about previewing in Jetpack Compose. For previewing a composable function, simply define another composable function with @preview. This function generates the preview. If we want dark version of composable function, we can add an extra @preview, and here we got. But for every composable function, do we have to add two @preview annotations? Of course not. There is a way to define your own annotation. You can simply define an annotation class. Now it can be used like this. Like the previous section, for previewing a widget in different font scales, you can define an annotation class for it. And here the result. If your app supports multiple languages, this annotation class helps you to preview your composable functions in different locales. It's handy to preview a screen composable in different screen sizes, such as phone, foldable, tablet, and even desktop, especially for Chrome OS. For this purpose, we can use the device attribute of @preview. It's common that a screen composable needs view model as the state holder. One basic approach is passing the view model as parameter. But in this way, you can't have preview for a screen. For solving this issue, you can define a composable wrapper. But first, we change the screen composable to a stateless version. Then pass the view model to the news list route wrapper and call the news list screen with its parameters. The last tip for previewing is the situation that your composable function depends on some argument like data classes. To prevent hard-coding default values for previewing this composable, there is a special annotation called @preview parameter. This is how news provider class defined. The preview parameter provider is a good solution to reuse default previews for previewing. Happy coding!